let's do an easy pinhole cast on. There are a couple of my designs where we're knitting from the center out, and a pinhole cast on would have been a wonderful thing. However, I have really struggled to do most types of the pinhole cast on. So I'd like to thank Romi Hill for demonstrating this kind of easy pinhole cast on. The first step in our easy pinhole cast on is to make a slip knot. So I'm going to turn my yarn over to make a little loop, fold it over, and pull the longer working yarn through that loop. Tighten that up, place it on my needle, tighten it to my needle size, and now I'm going to do a backwards loop to cast on one stitch. So I'm going to put my thumb through, pull that off the thumb. You can also do a backwards loop simply by taking it into your hands and making a loop and flipping it and putting it on like that and tightening it. Once we have these 2 stitches on the needles, we're ready to begin. So let's turn our work and get going. Into this first stitch, we're going to work all of our increases. So ignore the slip knot stitch there. Knit into it, leave it on the needle, then grab a yarn over, knit into it, yarn over, knit into it, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Once you have the desired number of stitches on your needle, you will just pull it off the left needle tip finally, and you can pull the left needle tip out of your slip knot, which allows you to undo the slip knot and just have your little pinhole cast on. Once you are done, you can tighten it up and it will zip up the inside of your circle. I've already shown you continental, let's do English. So we'll knit into this first stitch, yarn over, knit, yarn over, and knit. So keep alternating yarn overs and knit stitches until you have the desired number on the needle.